ドキドキ doing メロメロさ君の涙で恋
film that's made outside of the system, but is commercial and is beautiful to look at will begin to emerge.
I mean, you're sort of kind of suggesting AI.
Well, I'm not even suggesting AI because I think that, we've had versions of AI in our process for a while. There are aspects of animation where there's automated animation. And yes, AI will be used as a tool, but I'm really still talking about films that are truly driven by artists, even if there's an element of AI being used.
So you don't agree with the Jeffery Katezenberg statement he made a couple months ago, where he basically said that, I forget the percentage, but it was like 60 to 80% of the workforce needed to make animated movies will be automated by AI pretty soon.
I don't agree with that.
Mm-hmm.
I think that if we get to the place where his numbers bear out, I think society in general is going to have issues that go way beyond animation.
Yeah, that's a good point. It would mean that a lot of industries were down 60 to 80% of people.
Right.
Luca! Bueno? Pinu! Bueno? Pinu! Bueno? Pinu! Pinions! Lule Pinu! Pinu! Pinu!
Yes, yes, gonna love you. Yeah. Yes, yes, gonna want you. Yeah. もう泣くなよ baby. 女がついてるぜ。クラクラクラトゥイン止まらない君の